Really stretch your favorite holiday flavors this season. I'm with RaChelle Hubsmith, who is joining me to share her holiday sweet potato pie cookies today in the kitchen. It's great to have you. What makes this recipe so yummy, so special?
Well, I didn't even think I liked sweet potatoes or yams at all because my family always bought the canned version and they're disgusting. But when I married my husband, they used the real stuff. So once I had the real stuff, I realized how much I love them, and I've been turning them into desserts for a while now.
You married into the food love, but a sweet potato as a cookie is all new. What goes into the dough?
So this just has some real sweet potatoes mixed in there. And then I've also got some browned butter. Okay. So this is my favorite thing to put in recipes lately. You just put it in a saucepan, cook it on medium-high for 3 to 4 minutes, and then it starts to foam up. And then once that foam starts to kind of dwindle off, it will turn into this nice caramel color.
You can smell the change when the butter goes to brown butter, and you like kind of the depth of flavor that it brings to your recipes?
I love it. And I think because it gets such a nutty aroma to it, it really pairs perfectly with the sweet potato.
Do we taste sweet potato in this cookie?
We do.
You do?
Yes.
Okay.
And it is divine. So also, when we put in our dry ingredients, my trick to get a chewy cookie is to use cream of tartar.
I've heard of this. I've never done it.
Yeah, if you're on team chewy cookie, definitely throw the cookies. But if you're on team cakey cookie or crunchy cookie, just skip that.
We celebrate all teams, but you pick your palate. What's this?
Oh, so to make it taste a little bit more like a sweet potato pie cookie, I wanted to have a pie crust, so a graham cracker crust. You can buy the graham cracker crumbs already in a can, so you don't have to put them in your food processor and stuff. So I'm just gonna show you what I do before I bake them, and you're welcome to have.
I'd love to,
Get your hands dirty.
You bet, sister.
Let's see if I can get this out of here.
Okay, using a cookie scoop to keep it uniform.
Yes, and then just roll it into a ball.
Okay.
And then go ahead and just roll it into
the whole
crumbs.
thing? Okay, kind of coat it?
Yeah, just coat it. So you're gonna have a nice texture.
Okay.
And more added flavors. So.
What's the frosting? What's the pairing here?
Okay, so we're gonna make a marshmallow top frosting. So I've used just that jarred marshmallow topping and then threw in some butter and some powdered sugar and a little vanilla. And so if you want to frost a cookie.
So your husband's family made you more of a sweet potato purist, but do they put marshmallow on top of their yams?
They do.
They do.
Do you put marshmallows on yours?
I don't.
No.
I just like a glaze, but I'm not, I'm a marshmallow lover, so I'm not saying I'm opposed to it.
Okay, this is really good. In fact, I brought this cookie to my coworkers, and they said it was better than any of the cookies that we get at the local cookie shops.
Lucky coworkers to benefit from your experiments. You toasted marshmallows too on top, I noticed.
Yes, so let's throw a few on there, and do you want to?
You're giving me all the honors today. I would never say no to a tool and gadget like this.
It takes a minute sometimes to get it going, so we might have to play with it for a second.
All right. While I'm doing this, will you tell us, you've got an exciting new project in the works, right?
Yes. So I've got Food Network has started a brand new show. It's the very first reality TV show. I'm super excited to be a part of that. It combines two of my favorite things, baking shows and competitions and reality TV.
Look at you, this is so exciting. What's the show called?
It's called Bake It Till You Make It.
Bake It Till You Make It. When does this air?
It will air on December 26th at 10 o'clock on Food Network, and every Monday after that. But it's really fun because it shows the behind the scenes of competitions and also a glimpse into the lives of the people that enter these competitions.
Exciting. So it's not a competition show, but it's a behind the scenes look at what you do, because you've won so many over the years.
Yes. But it's really fun because sometimes I'm prepping the stuff before I go to the competition in my own kitchen, which is nice. And then we fly to the competition with the cake or whatever I've made. And we'll buy a plane ticket for my cake, and it's sitting right next to me. And I have this added stress of trying to get it there.
The cake gets its own first class ticket. I love it. Well, congratulations on the show. We'll post details on our website, including a link to this recipe. Thank you for sharing. I burned a couple marshmallows.
All right.
But this sounds fantastic. I can't wait to try.